Assalamualaikum student, welcome to science class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 9. The name of this chapter is technology in our life. In this chapter, at first we are going to learn about two main topics, that technology and technology in our daily life. What is technology? Technology is any kind of instrument or any kind of methods which make our life more easier. Here we have a formal definition of technology, that technology is a tool or process that makes our life better, easier and very comfortable. So student, our second topic is technology in daily life. We use technology in our everyday life as we are living in the age of science. So in every sphere of our life, technology play a vital role. We use technology in our home, we use it in sports, we use it in our for our entertainment. So here are some examples that where we are using our technology. So technology at home. We are using light, fan, television, mobile, different types of kitchenary item such as gas burner, refrigerator, rice cooker, oven. These are some technologies which are used in our home. Our second point is technology in sports. Here we have some different sports items such as football, cricket bat or ball, clothing or footwear, tennis rackets, etc. These are some name of our instrument or technology which we use in our sports. Number 3 is technology in entertainment. Computer, video games, watching movies are very common technologies we used in our home for entertaining us, and tabla, harmonium, guitar, violin, piano, etc. These technologies are used for making or creating any kind of music. Fair wheels, roller coaster, children toys, these technologies are used for entertaining in any kind of amusement park, or children's toys are used for entertaining our child. So our fourth point is technology in medical treatment. We use different types of technology for diagnosis our different diseases. We can use some simple technology in our daily life, that thermometer for measuring our fever, stethoscope for measuring heartbeat or pulse rate, and blood pressure for measuring the pressure of our blood. These technologies help us to give any kind of first aid treatment. And third point is X-ray machine, ECG machine and ultrasonography. These types of technology are used to examine our internal organ. So student, that is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you.